Hi everyone, welcome to the accumulation data analysis for 29th of April. Today was quite a good day for the large cap bulls, right? The Nifty ended 1% higher, the Bank Nifty 2.5% higher. So we'll look at the charts and the data, what it is telling us, so that we can play the short term with the help of these two, right? So let's get started with the Nifty analysis. So Nifty intraday it kind of opened gap up, but then the gap was filled and then it continued moving up continuously, right? So there was even the Nifty kind of ended at the highest point, right? So at 3:30, the ending was pretty good, around 22,650 thereabout, right? Now coming to the FIs, what they have done. So the FIs who were selling for 9 consecutive days, trading days, almost 34,000 crores of selling, they have finally started buying. Although it's a very small number, in between on 19th of April also, they had done the same thing, bought around 129 crores worth of it, and even then the Nifty had moved 0.7% then. But now they have again bought like 100 odd crores. It is not a very big number, but what is happening is because the DIs were buying in 2000, 3000, 4000 crores consecutively, whenever the FIs were selling same amount of equities. So now because the FIs have stopped selling, which I had even covered in the previous videos, that if these guys stop selling, that will result in a up move because the DIs have been continuously buying these shares, right? So some part of it might be even short covering also, which has led to this up move in the Nifty as well as the Bank Nifty, right? So if you look at the daily chart, so after making a bearish candle on Friday, right, that is a dark cloud, again it has moved up. So this is majorly because of the short covering that happened in the Bank Nifty. So if you look at the right hand side, you'll see all the indices. The Bank Nifty was the best performer, 2.54% higher, right? And the worst performer was actually the CNX Reality. So the Reality Index was down a percent, but nothing to worry. Even there, it has been on a continuous up move, right? So now looking at the large cap accumulation, it has improved a little, not that much, right, which suggests that most of the rally that came in today was because of the short covering that happened. Even the futures data kind of suggests that a short covering that happened in the uh, large caps, right? So now coming to the Bank Nifty chart. So the Bank Nifty is actually at the upper end of this parallel channel. Chances are it can face some resistance there, but if it breaks that, then it should move even higher because it is at all-time high also right now after breaking the resistance. So it is trading at all-time high, and when something trades at all-time high, usually the resistance is very low, the movement is free flowing, it should move like a quick few percentage before kind of turning or giving a retest. So even the Bank Nifty looks good as per this. If it kind of breaks out and if tomorrow's daily closing is above this particular level, above the parallel channel, then you can expect a decent up move in the Bank Nifty in the coming days. So now coming to the mid cap analysis, let's see what happened in the mid caps. So the mid cap accumulation kind of improved a bit, which is a positive sign, right? Because if you look at the mid cap chart, it closed at the highest point of the day, which suggests that there is still steam left in this index. The mid cap stocks can move even higher. Even the RSI is not heated, it can move even a little higher before it kind of comes back to retest the breakout that has happened around that 50,400 500 level, right? So with good accumulation, the charts are also telling us that it is moving up, so the mid cap should continue moving higher. Now coming to the small cap analysis, small cap accumulation is around the same level, no improvement nor it has deteriorated. So chances are that the small caps also continue moving higher from the current levels because no major distribution either that I'm seeing. So the accumulation remains pretty good. And if you look at the chart, although it was not such a great day for the small caps because we kind of opened higher but then ended around the lowest point of the day. Although on a daily basis we are up 0.22%, but this candle is red because we opened higher and closed lower than the opening, right? So even here I don't see a major problem because the data is suggesting that it is pretty good till now. right? So now moving to the overall accumulation also saw similar levels that we have been seeing for the last many trading sessions. Although, like I told, that Friday is an exception because many people don't like to take a position and carry it over the weekend, right? So again, on Monday, that is today, 29th of April, the accumulation remains pretty good. Overall accumulation, we can expect the broader market and even the large cap stocks, that is the Nifty and the Bank Nifty, to do well in the coming sessions, because if they continue moving up, what is going to happen is the FIs which were short on the market, right, they start covering, and usually when that happens, the rally might be very strong in the large caps also. Because the accumulation is good in the mid and the small caps, they should also move with the sentiment that the large caps are moving. Hopefully this helps. I'll see you in tomorrow's video analyzing the data for tomorrow. Thank you.